Brooke and Jeffrey in the morning, and I just hate it when people act all intellectual and talk about Mozart when they've never even seen one of his paintings before. Okay? It's not okay.
Yeah.
On this-
you tell him, Jeff.
On
I
this
hate
segment,
that.
we don't pretend to be intellectuals. Okay? Not even close.
No.
We just go around the room and share the lowbrow thoughts that we've all been thinking about lately.
Yeah, we're bros.
Zero sophistication guaranteed.
Yeah.
Starting with Brooke. Brooke, what's on your mind?
Fuck that, Jeffrey.
Art slam.
So I don't know. I haven't talked about it, but at the beginning of August, we started a big renovation on our house, which we feel really fortunate for.
Oh, yeah.
But we've been living through it, right? And we hired this company, and these two guys run this company, and they have been incredible. Incredible,
good,
right?
good.
So much so that they're there every morning at 7. Like on the weekends, I'm like, "Do you want coffee and bagels?" Like we've started to really fall in love with them.
Okay.
Right? Oh my God.
I'll take a back massage if you're offering.
My daughter has Christmas gift ideas for them, right?
Wow.
They're like part of our family, which is fantastic, except for construction is wrapping up.
Oh, no.
Oh, no.
Exactly.
You have to find them projects.
I'm having anxiety about them leaving.
Well,
I'm gonna miss them. They're like in our home every day. And so I'm wondering, is it weird to try to be friends with them
Yeah,
afterwards? Like I was thinking that maybe we could invite them over for dinner. I want to meet their
Okay.
babies.
Oh,
Oh.
wow.
They're from Bulgaria. I thought maybe we could do a big family vacation
Oh, wow.
together. Because I've done a lot of research on Bulgaria, and it looks incredible
That would be cool
for
'cause
tourism.
They could be a tour guide. They could translate.
That's
for
what
you.
I'm saying.
That's actually lit.
I would love to see the looks on their faces, though, when you ask if you could go with them to Bulgaria to meet their families.
Am I crossing a line?
I want to talk to them and hear if they're excited for this project to be
Yeah.
Do they like us as much as
over.
we
Yeah, that's what
like
I'm wondering.
They like the money.
If you're
Yeah.
Bulgarian, text in. Would you like this?
Invite them to
I
be a
think
part of
it's
your
sweet.
family, Brooke. I think you should do it and see how
I
it
think
goes.
Start with dinner.
Okay,
You
start with
start
that.
slow. Don't go
Okay.
all the way to Bulgaria
Okay.
first. You say, let's come. You want to come over for a nice Christmas
That's
dinner?
okay, right?
And then see how that goes.
Okay.
I don't know if okay is the word, but it's something.
Guys, I like them so much.
Yeah, we can tell.
Yeah.
That's great,
Michael,
Brooke.
watch out.
All right.
No, he likes him just as much. Maybe even more.
Oh,
yeah.
God. Look
Best
out.
friends.
Jose, what's been on your mind?
Well, I live in downtown in the city, right?
Mm-hmm.
And parking is always an adventure for me when I want to go do stuff.
Yeah. For anyone downtown.
Right? So anyway, I was going to go stop at the pharmacy, and next door, there's a burger place.
Okay.
And the pharmacy parking lot's full. It's a small place, so I'm like, I'm going to park in a little burger lot. See, Brooke already knows,
That
right?
gives me anxiety.
You guys
Yeah.
already get it, right? So
God.
anyway, so I parked for like literally 2 minutes, no more than 3.
Are you
Okay.
always wondering, like, will they know if I'm at the burger spot
Yeah.
or will they not?
Well, and I look too. There's no like
People?
parking
Yeah.
security guy or nothing, right?
Okay.
So I go in, I come out. There is immediately a parking enforcement ticket on my windshield. And I don't know how, because I truly was so quick, guys.
How did
All
they
right?
know you weren't going to get fries after you went to the pharmacy?
Thank you. Thank you. So
Yeah,
I
that's
stand there
true.
and I'm just flabbergasted. Like, I've never been so shocked where I'm like, what? I'm looking around the parking lot. I'm looking at the ticket.
Go
and
buy a
I'm-
burger and fight it.
Yeah.
I'm
Yeah.
so confused, right? I'm
Right.
like, how did this happen? What is going on? This says burger parking, whatever. I sit in my car and somebody comes up, knocks on my door.
Oh, they're there.
Oh.
And I'm like, hey, hello, and I roll my window down. The guy's like, hey, I'm the guy that gave you the ticket. And I'm like,
Oh, yeah.
hi.
Well, I've
He wants to
never.
fight.
Usually they're passive aggressive.
I
Yeah,
know.
friendly.
And he goes, hey, man, I just want to say, like, I am so sorry. You look so upset, dude. And I'm like,
I wonder why.
What? He's like, I saw you looking around, and like, I didn't know you were gonna be that fast, or I would have waited. I didn't know.
Oh, that's what all your dates say to you, too. That was so fast.
That's so true.
Didn't expect that.
And I'm just like, what? And he's like, yeah, man, I really, by the way, can I take a picture of your car? And I go, what? And he goes, no, I think it's cool. Like, I like cars. And like,
get outta here.
I want to take a picture. And I was like, no, you already got like my license, man. I'm good. And then he's like, hey, I'm new to town. I'm a car enthusiast.
Oh, no.
I drive the Beamer over there. There's like an old Beamer, like with like mismatched parts on it.
Yeah.
He's like, you think you could take my number down? And then like sometime like at midnight, we could like go through the city and like take pictures of our cars together.
Midnight?
And I'm like, what is going on?
Oh my God. And
Weird.
this is how the construction people are going to feel about me when
Yes,
they my friend.
100%.
But he was apologetic. He was nice. I couldn't not. He wants to be my friend so bad.
So-
he wanted to do car pics together.
When are we getting the midnight photos?
Well, never, because he goes, well, do you want my number? Like, and I was like, no, friend, I don't want your number. Like, thank you very much.
Wow.
So I paid $85 for 2 minutes of parking in the pharmacy.
Dude.
Should have bought fries.
Maybe I still can. I don't know.
Yeah.
Goodness.
Yes.
Alexis, what's been on your mind?
So this past fall, I was helping coach high school cross country.
You
Yes.
just do that every year.
Yeah, and then as the season came to an end, we had the end of season banquet.
Okay.
And I had to do what I hate most, and that's public speaking at the banquet.
Good thing you don't do it for your job.
I know.
right?
It's so
know.
funny.
Well,
I'm always
she's
like,
in the room right now, I guess, not in front of people.
I've asked multiple times, like, Alexis, do you want to host this event for
No.
me? And she's like, God, no.
No.
Fine.
No, and nothing's worse than high schoolers and their parents in
Oh,
one
God.
room with me talking.
But you did it.
I did it, but I tried to like prep. Like I asked some of the kids I'd talk about, and I like looked up their times they ran this season,
Yeah.
their best, whatever. So I'm up there talking, and at one point I'm talking about one of the girls and how well she's done, and I'm getting really specific. When I look into the audience, and I see her shaking her head no, and I'm like, no.
What?
And then I see people start whispering, and I'm like, that's weird. And I like finish, and then I go look at my notes after, talking about the wrong kid. Yeah.
Alexis.
I'm talking about how far she made it in the season, all this, got injured week 1 and was gone. Yeah. Sometimes. But, I finished, and I'm like, okay, I'm done at least. And
You made it far across the room.
Yeah.
After your injury.
the kids go up after, and they're talking about the coaches now. And I'm like, oh, this will be good. Every coach, they're like, there's other ones besides me. They're like, they run with us. They're so inspirational, motivational. It gets to me, and they're like, so Coach Alexis, she always has a lot of stories she tells. She talks a lot on our runs.
Oh, yeah.
Big
And-
imagination
and-
on that coach.
Period over. Everyone claps, and I'm like, huh.
Hey.
That wasn't a compliment.
I don't know if I'm going to be invited back next season. Yeah.
Part of growth is learning how to gossip as well.
Yeah.
Not
Yeah.
only physical.
This
but
is
mental.
important, kids.
It's healthy.
Yeah.
It's healthy. I
So
love
anyways,
it.
I
love
might
it.
have to call it sick on the banquet next year.
Yeah.
Good job.
Yikes.
Jeffrey, what's on your mind?
6 months ago, I made a big purchase. At least, like I thought it was. I went online to one of those big electronic stores. I won't say which one, but I bought a brand new smart TV.
Whoa.
And-
That's a huge purchase.
When
Yeah.
it showed up, I realized I hadn't paid close enough attention to the details.
Oh, no.
Because it was about half the size that I expected it to be.
Is it? That's the only detail I look at is how many inches big
Yeah.
it is.
Yeah,
Jeff.
that's like the biggest part.
They put so many numbers, though. I'm like, which number am I supposed to pay attention
So,
to?
like, you thought you were getting like a 60-inch TV and you got a 30-inch?
It was pretty small.
Okay.
It goes in my living room right above the main fireplace. You can imagine big fireplace, large empty wall,
Yeah.
tiny TV right
Yeah.
above
Wait,
it.
which is that a brick or
Jeff,
a TV? Oh, it's another. Okay.
You
Even,
could
even
have just returned it and gotten the
why
right
did you keep
size.
that's even the guy hanging it was like, "Are you sure
You
you
hung it?
want to do this?"
You mounted it.
Paid someone to hang it.
Why didn't you bring it back?
The guy was like, "I could probably just hang this with masking tape. We
Yeah.
don't need a whole
Oh, no.
bracket." But I was like, "Just do it. I'm just gonna ride this out." Fast forward to present day,
Okay.
it stopped working. The
What?
TV.
Oh, wow.
Wow. I'm surprised you can see
In
it.
6 months, there's got to be some warranty on
It
it.
can't
Yeah, there
locate
should
the
be.
Wi-Fi signal in my house. So the tech people came out. They can't figure it out. I have to replace it now.
Oh, no.
And I realized something
He didn't buy the
that
extended
Brooke probably figured out years ago, which is smaller is actually better. Not just with TVs, with
That
all
is
sorts of things.
Really?
But in this
Definitely
case,
not
yes.
my mantra.
And I realized I actually prefer a smaller screen.
You do.
Is that what you're doing? You're
I like
fried-
standing up and standing close to it because I feel like less of a couch potato that way.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
This is
Yeah,
like
I mean-
the Michael Scott TV from that one episode.
And you can't turn on closed captions because they're too small to read.
They're too close.
Oh, yeah.
unless I'm wearing my glasses.
Oh, wow.
Binoculars.
That
Okay,
feels
so now you're
good.
going to get an even smaller TV?
For my next one, I'm going even smaller.
okay.
I'm thinking
I like it.
24 inches, right above the fireplace.
That's
Wow.
smaller than my gaming monitor in my stream
You should just
room.
use an iPad at this point.
Yeah.
Oh,
Just
it's
look
a
up.
good idea.
Yeah.
Do they mount those up on your wall?
I think that's where the duct tape coming.
Okay.
He's gonna have a phone mounted.
Oh man, I'm gonna invite you guys over for a party.
Can't wait for
It's
the
gonna
viewing party
be
at Jeff's.
banging.
Okay.
That's what's on our minds. You can text in 78592 and tell us what's been on yours. It's Brooke and Jeffrey in the morning.